Today I'm going to show you how to install your police flag. They have a whole bunch of them. They got a police, fire department, military, straight up American flag on the back of your 5th gen Dodge Ram. Goes on the back sliding glass. Today I'm going to show you how to install it the correct way. First thing you're going to want to do is get a glass cleaner. It doesn't matter which one. And you're going to want rubbing alcohol. You're going to clean the glass first. Then you're going to use the alcohol to take off any residue that gets left behind. Okay? So you take your cleaner, spray it on there. Get your paper towel and wipe it down. This flag is cut exactly for this window here. I'll have the link below in the description so you can order the same one or whatever one you're looking for. Okay. Take a dry rag, paper towel, get all the corners, get the bottom, you want it nice and clean. No dirt on there. Take your rubbing alcohol. You don't want no fingerprints, no oil, no wax, nothing. Put that on the glass. Go around the corners real good. And you're gonna let this evaporate, which it does real fast, especially on a hot day. Okay. There's two ways of putting on this flag, or any decal. You can do it the dry way, which is you just line it up, put it on, or there's a wet way where you spray it down with water, and you can slide it on, and you squeeze it off, okay? Today I'm gonna do the dry way. As you can see here, you're gonna wanna cut it, take off the back in halfway, so you can line it up, and then you can take it back off all the way, okay? You either go top to bottom, halfway like this, or go side to side. I'm gonna go side to side, so I'm gonna peel off half this side. Make sure you don't put your finger on the back, on the actual sticker itself, like so. And you're gonna carefully line them up to your window. Fold this back in half like this, so you have somewhere to hold, and make sure you line them up good. Make sure you have it centered the way you want. You got some wiggle room in here. It's not set in stone until you press it down firmly. Okay, check it again. Make sure it's even on all sides and your top is running with the glass, like so. Okay, so I like it where it's at right now. You're gonna press it down from the here toward the outside of the thing. From here toward the top, or from here toward the bottom. You hear that noise? That's the air bubbles that's inside. Before you take off this film, I'm gonna show you how to get rid of the air bubbles. So just keep working it toward the outside edges, up, like so, out, like so, down like so, okay? After you don't hear no more bubbles, you got good adhesion. Oh, there goes some more bubbles, see? Air bubbles. Now you slowly pull it out and keep working the air bubbles toward the outside edge now. Just a little at a time. Right to the edge. Like so. Work it out from the inside to the outside, like so. You hear the air pockets inside popping. Always work toward the outside. Center out, center out. You hear the air in there, trapped in. That's okay. If you have a squeegee, this is a rubber squeegee. You could get one of these, or you could also use a credit card. Same deal. You're gonna take it and glide it across and work out any more air pockets. Okay. Keep going. Go in the same direction as your stripes. Okay. Work it at an angle if you have to. You don't hear no more air pockets popping. There you go. These are in the stars. You want to be careful with the stars. You don't damage them. You hear the air popping out? That's what you're looking for. Take your lines. So most of the air is inside the stars. So keep working it. Eventually it'll stop popping. And you can also have air pockets from the back side. Not the side that's sticky, the side that this is sitting on, the film. So just keep working it. Nice and gentle. When you're done, I'll show you how to peel off this backing. Now you're gonna take your backing and try to just get the backing off without taking this decal off itself. You're gonna come slowly and you wanna work at an angle, like so. You don't wanna come straight this way, you wanna go down at an angle. It's the way most decals work. And you're gonna do it slowly and make sure you're not pulling off the stripes, because the stripes are individual. So you keep going like that. Here's the next stripe. There's the next one. There's the next one, the blue. Keep going. Nice and slow. And you get your last one out. Make sure this blue stays down because it looks like it wants to come up. So you just work it, check your lines a little at a time. There's an air bubble under that right there. See the air bubble? Pay close attention, you're not peeling it out. There's your stripes, your stars are coming out. This one looks like it's just separate from the blue and it's just sitting on top, so keep pressing it down firmly. Nice and slow. Air pocket underneath there. Keep going. See the air pocket? So the blue one's the one you gotta look out for. Or firefighter red, army green, military green, I should say. Come to the top, peel it downward. There's the blue again coming up. And there goes a big bubble there. So you gotta keep going nice and slow, like I said. Press it down. Don't use the squeegee now on this, because the squeegee could damage your decal. So now it's just fingers here. Keep pressing down. Keep pressing down. Right to the edge. See, the blue wants to come off. So hold it. Press it with the finger until you get to the edge. There you go. Okay, so now you're gonna work each one down by finger. Don't use your nails, use your fingers and smooth it out. And make sure there's no air pockets underneath or bubbles. Tiny little bubble here, so you keep rubbing it. And eventually it works its way out.
Like I said, work from here out, this way. Go into each individual line. Individual, like so.
If you notice tiny bubbles like this, right there, It's a tiny little bubble. If it doesn't go away in a couple days, you could take a needle and just tiny little hole, pop it, and work the air out of there. But usually they come out on their own as it heats up with the sun. That's what it looks like completely done. It's on a tinted glass, but it's just enough that you'll see it from behind. Okay, hope that video helps you. Like I said, I have a link to where I purchased this one on. It's from Amazon. And they have a whole ton of them. Different brands, different people make them. Hope that video helps you. Questions, comments, leave them below. I get back to everyone. Take care, fellas.